LUX, turn me up.
Nigga, I'm poppin' shit, shut up cause you not. I came from the trap, I got racks in the shoebox. Since I start rapping, I got my whole crew hot. I pull up just spraying, don't care about who shot. I got your bitch on the knees and she eating it. I'm on the ground getting Franklin's Aretha shit.
What is good, everybody on YouTube? This is, of course, your boy, Jiggy the Setter Man, coming back again today with another 4K banger, man. Yes, as you guys can read by the title, yes, your boy is back with another sneaker review, man. Yes, it's been a little minute since I did a sneaker review, but let me tell y'all a little story behind it, okay? I ordered stuff around Christmas time and New Year's, so I mean, the post office and like FedEx and UPS, they're kind of behind on packages and stuff, so we're not gonna let that get to us, you know what I'm saying? Cause we're gonna continue to still drop bangers, man. Cause I want 2019 to be successful for everyone, plus myself. So I mean, yes. With that being said, let's hop on into this sneaker review, man. Yes, man. As you guys can see, the black and red box, man. Of course, everyone know it's a Jordan 1, but which one can it be? Don't even go read the title either. Nah, I'm playing, man. I'm gonna let y'all. But I did get these right here in a size 8.5 women's. 8.5 women's, so you know what that is. These retailed at $160. Oh yeah, as you can see that, man. Yes, that's enough with the box, because we all know what a Jordan 1 box look like. Blam, that's the lid. Let's go ahead and jump into this sneaker though. Woo, these things are fire, man. Like, I don't need that box right now, but blam, as you guys see it, the ALEALI May Court Lux, man. As you guys can see it, yes, these things are crazy dope, man. When I first seen this sneaker, I was like, man, this sneaker is mad trash, bro. Like, I felt like the fur kind of threw it off, but I was like, you know what, man? I'm gonna get these in hand to see if I like them better, you know what I'm saying? But as you guys can see, man, the Court Lux by ALEALI. If I'm saying that wrong, y'all correct me in the comments below. But I think it's ALEALI May, you know what I'm saying? Court Lux, man. But yeah, man, this shoe is filled with so many colors. We got like a royal blue here, like a vibrant orange, a light pink, a light blue, and like a violent purple. And we still got that royal in the back. And yes, man, the inside is filled with like a butter leather, you know what I'm saying? So I mean, hey, this sneaker is hard, man. Yes, the colorway really does its job. And this bottom right here, I thought this bottom was white. It's like an off-white creamy color, man. So I mean, yeah, take a look at that. It looks white, but I mean, if you get it in hand, it looks like a creamy off-white looking color, man. So I mean, hey, these things are hard, bro. Like, I thought I was gonna get them and not like the fur part, but I mean, hey, man, the fur is actually pretty dope, man. And yes, these did come with extra laces. It came with black laces locked in, and then it came with like a soft blue laces to like the same color as the Nike check. So I mean, hey, and yes, the number one question everyone is wondering, yes, these fur patches do come off. Look at that, blam. That's the fur patch. And once you take the fur patch off, you see it right there, it has Nike on the tongue. So I mean, hey, by any means, wear it how the way you want to wear it, but I'll probably wear them without it on it, because I mean, it's fur, bro. Like, it's fur. It's already a girl colorway, and in the fur, what the fur gonna do for a guy? Nothing at all. But I don't know, I might switch it up from time to time. But overall, man, my thoughts on these is very hype. The quality is very there. So I mean, hey, if you want these, the quality on these is A1, man. Like, I feel like this was probably one of the best quality ones that came out in 2018, honest opinion, man. Cause hey, these things are hard. Y'all get a closer look at this quality, man. Oh yeah, look at the back. These things are hard, bro. Look at that quality of that Nike check, of that Nike swoosh. Oh yeah, man. And we do have the Jordan logo right there as well. Man, I wish it had a Jordan logo right here. That would have been dope. But the inside is all over like a butter color, and the inside is definitely leather. So I mean, hey, I know that's a comfortable feel, but man, these things right here are crazy. Like when I seen the colorway, I was like, man, them things are dope. Why did it have to have fur on it though? Didn't know that it could come off, like, but it came to my senses, man, to like the fur, man, because I like the fur. Like, honest opinion, man, I like the fur. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna wear one fur patch on and one fur patch off. Oh yeah, that's gonna be dope. But I mean, if you like the fur patches, by all means rock the fur patches. But I mean, hey, I feel like they look dope with the fur patch or without. So I mean, hey, these things are dope. She did her thing on these. I mean, I still, in my opinion, I still feel like her first colorway was better than this, just because it was very settled. Like it was black and what, silver or gray. You know what I'm saying? So I mean, hey, I feel like the quality on them are both the same though. I think the quality on this one is a little bit better because it's an all over suede. But I mean, hey, whatever floats people boat, man. But hey, my opinion on these, with 0 being the worst and 10 being the best, I'm giving these a 10 off top, bro. Like me personally, I still feel like the best pair of ones that I got that came out in 2018 is probably the satin shattered backboards. But I mean, these are close. These are close right behind it, man. For real, because these things are hard, man. And look at the, let me pull this inside of the sole out for you. Look at this sole, man. This is how you know it's comfortable. Look at the sole. Oh yeah, it does have her name right here. Look at the sole, man. Come on, bro. Like that is hard. Like you ain't gonna find nothing like that, man. Oh yeah, this is hard, bro. Like she really did her thing on these, man. But let me go and pop this back in. Oh yeah. But man, these things are hard, bro. If you missed out on these, resale value is going up on them, man. Cause I mean, I remember seeing them once at like, I want to say like 160 something, and then like now as you check it, it's going up from like the 2s, the 230s, the 240s, the 250s. So I'm dying to see what they'll be in like March sometime. So I mean, hey, this colorway is very lit. Like, bro, this colorway is super lit. Like, oh yeah, but it got like let me count the colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It got 6 different colors on one shoe. Come on, bro, you know that's color blocking. But I feel like she can do whatever she wants because it's a Lila May. So I mean, hey. But my thoughts and opinions on these, man, if you didn't cop, please go out and cop them. This is the one without the fur on it, and this is the one with the fur on it. So I mean, drop comments in the comment section below which one you think's best. The one without the fur, you know what I'm saying? Get a full glimpse of that. I'm gonna do a 360 on that. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. The one without the fur, with the Nike on the tongue. Oh yeah. And the one with the fur, with the blue shoelaces on the side. Oh yeah. Drop comments in the comment section what y'all think, man. Did you cop or did you not, man? Because these things are super hard, bro. Like, these things are clean. Like, if you think these are ugly, somebody need to slap you. No, I'm playing. But I mean, they at first, like I said, at first I thought they was ugly myself. I did like the color, whatever, but I felt like this didn't come off. But I was like, you know what? Let me get them in hand and just to see what they look like, cause I can easily sell them. But I mean, hey, this can come off. So I mean, I was happy. I was super satisfied, man. But with that being said, though, Hey yo, cameraman, stop making them wait so long. Give them what they want to see. The on foot. Let's get it.
Told him I'm that nigga, yeah, 6-figure nigga, yeah, back door kicker, bad bitch getter, yeah, dog in a hoe and I told her go fetch. She fucking my brother, my nigga got next. I throw him the lob and they really just met. Her nigga be calling but he not no threat. She can't make up my smoke, I'm back in the ocean, you easy to catch. I do some damage, I can't get back. You doing nothing, you probably attack. I'm saying, nigga, I know what I say, yeah, I just be rapping no cap. Wonder what give me a step, pocket they fat, so very nice, I'm always next to a rack.
Guys, so that is a wrap for this video. If you're new to the channel, man, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Drop comments below, man. If you want to see a sneaker, man, drop comments below, man. Let me know what sneaker y'all want to see. It can be any sneaker, man. I will get it done for you. And let me tell y'all one thing, it does not have to be a sneaker, man. It could be a clothing haul. If you know clothes and you want to see them, let me know, man. Drop comments down below, man. I will get anything done for you. I can get my hands on anything. Just let me know what y'all want to see, and I will definitely get that done for you guys. But if you're new to the channel, man, make sure to give me a subscribe, man. Make sure you turn on post notifications so you will not miss out on any videos that I post. And y'all say it with me like I always known for saying. I am out. Y'all be easy. Ooh, I got a shoe this time. Peace.
Ooh, me and my bitch, I swear we like the same sex. Ooh, fuck with all my jeans on, let's have chain sex. Sir.